Wait, hold on. Let's have a recap of that run.
Okay, so I just went down that one right over there. And it went well. I twisted my knee again, but...
You're really wedging a lot the whole way down.
Yeah.
That's got to be a little bit hard on your legs.
Yeah, it is.
My hand is really freezing right now.
Yeah, my arms are freezing.
Yeah, but my hand has no glove on because I'm doing the video.
Okay, so I just went down that one, and when I kind of go down, like, to the bottom, I start getting faster and faster for some reason.
For some reason? Mm-hmm. Let's show how much snow there is. Look at all that snow. It's so beautiful. There's just like snow everywhere.
No, there's not snow everywhere.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right.
There's not snow everywhere because it hasn't snowed this December anytime soon. It only snowed one time. The we've been here for about 5 hours. Show the sunset.
It is pretty, actually. It's really pretty.
Okay.
I wonder if we'll see Amanda. Where is she?
I have no idea, but so when we get up there, you're gonna see me ski down. I'm gonna go down.
There's Amanda. Is that Amanda? No, that's not Amanda.
Okay.
Is that Amanda?
Yeah.
Oh, that is Amanda.
Show Amanda.
Oh, God.
Amanda!
Just focus on skiing.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm watching. Okay, good. She's going to.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where are we going?
So do you want to see me ski again?
Yeah, but I gotta put my glove back on.
1 second.
All right, fine.
Right after.
All right, fine. Go ahead.
Start with the basics. Bend down if you want to go really fast. Your arms down. So I might twist my knee a little and I might stop for that. Okay. See me go down.
Okay.
Thank you that much.
All right. See ya. Hope my hand doesn't fall off. Wait for me. Just wait. Just let them go. Okay.